Let us continue with the topic. Now observe this question. Which of the following values an engineer must consider while working with the environment? And you are asked to find out the correct codes, it seems. Now what are the correct codes here? Accountability. Yes, you have to be accountable with the environment. You have to be prudent. Yes, means taking care. And you have to be efficient. Yes, all these things has to be considered. So your option is 1, 2 and 3. Consider the following statements and you are asked to find out the correct statements here. Consequentialism focuses on outcome of ethical decisions, not on moral principles, it seems. Now is it correct? No. Bluntly wrong. Right? Bluntly wrong. It is against the definition given in our videos, right? Now ethical egoism is the normative ethical position that one ought to do what is in his or her self-interest. Yes, perfect definition given here. So your answer is second statement only, B. Next one. Which one of the following is right regarding meta-ethics? Now see here, microethics and meta-ethics. We have discussed in detail about this, right? Macroethics, right? Now what about this meta-ethics? Now you are asked to find out the correct statement here. Meta-ethics specifies about right and wrong. No, this is not the statement. Meta-ethics is analytical ethics which inquire about nature of morality, nature of excellence and goodness. Yes, this is the exact statement regarding meta-ethics. Right? Focus on the questions, right? Next one. Morality generally refers to what it refers to. What is right or wrong course of action for an individual only. No. Is it for only individual? No. Wrong. Personal traits which makes a person moral. No. This is not the thing. Right. Now your third statement is making a right decision where there is a chance to do wrong. No. This is not the statement. What is right or wrong course of action for an individual or a community? Yes. Now this is the exact statement regarding morality. Already we have seen the same definition in the previous video also. Consider the following statements regarding honesty and you are asked to find out the correct statements. Right? Honesty should be reflected in act. Yes, right. Belief. Yes, right. Speech. Yes, perfectly right. So your first statement is correct. Now honesty in belief is intellectual honesty. Right? Instead of the word. Yes, perfectly right. Honesty in belief means forming one's belief without self-deception. Yes, without deceiving yourself. Right? So your third statement is also correct. So all the three statements are perfectly right. Human values do not include. Human values include compassion. Human values include honesty. Human values include forbearance, but it doesn't include vindictiveness. Right? Opposite statement to human values. So your option number B is perfectly right. Descriptive ethics is. Now see here, I have discussed this types of ethics and their definitions clearly in the videos. Now your answer is comparative studies of ethics in past and present as well as the ethics in one society to other society. Now the first statement is exact definition of descriptive ethics, right? Now see here, if you go through the question bank also you can get all the things perfectly, right? So remaining options are not at all related to descriptive ethics. Next one. Which reference to problems associated with cost benefit analysis for a project Consider the following statements. Now you are asked to find out the correct statements. Yes. It is usually difficult to predict monetary value of benefits derived from a project. Yes, perfectly right. Cost benefit ratio cannot take into account for many subjective aspects of a decision. Yes, perfectly right. And your environmental risk, you cannot take this, right? So your second statement is also correct. Now your third statement is cost benefit analysis is an ethical tool while utilitarianism is used to determine feasibility of a project based on cost. No, bluntly wrong, right? Utilitarianism focuses on doing good for more number of people, right? So the third statement is wrong. So option C exactly satisfies. Two categorical imperatives in duty ethics are. Two categorical imperatives means what you deduce from the things, right? In duty ethics are universality and human dignity are the two categorical imperatives. Yes, your B statement exactly satisfies the things. Consider the following statements regarding values and you are asked to find out the correct statement. Values are beliefs about how we ought to behave. The exact definition of value is given here. Values contribute to the developments of both predispositions and integrity. Yes, perfectly right. Your second statement is bluntly correct. Which one of the following statements is correct, it seems? Now you are asked to find out the correct statement. Now what are the correct statements here? Psychological courage is bravery inherent in facing one's inner demons. Yes, perfectly right. Now see here, general statement. Courage involves an element of fearlessness. Only fearlessness? No. This statement is wrong. Courageous action may be voluntary or by coercive approach. No. It's not by coercive approach. Right? Courageous action may not have presence of danger, loss, risk or potential injury. Yes, they may have, right? So your statement is wrong here. So A statement is perfectly right. Now John Locke's right ethics talks of. Now this is a general statement. Normally we don't deal this descriptive ethics in our videos, right? Or in our syllabus also. But it was given there. So let us see this question, right? John Locke's right ethics, it talks of right to life, liberty and property, right? See here, your Abraham Lincoln's theory all were deduced, inspired from this John Locke right ethics, right? Next one, consider the following statements and you are asked to find out the correct statements. Now, emotional resonance is feeling pain of others. Yes, perfectly right. Resonance, reactive, identical resonance are two types of emotional resonance, right? Identical resonance and reactive. See here, reactive resonance, it was given vice versa manner, are the two types of emotional resonance. Yes, perfectly right. So your option number C perfectly suits it. Now consider the following statements and you are asked to find out correct statement. Procedural accidents are avoidable by training. Yes, perfectly right. Engineered accidents are due to failure of design and must be caught and corrected during the design itself. No, this is not the correct statement. So your answer is only one, right? Now what about this engineered accidents and what are the terms that you learned in this engineered accidents? Now see here, we have discussed in detail regarding this, right? Engineered accidents are caused by flaw in designs or its implementations. In design, it's not failure, flaw and its implementations. right? And these accidents can be rectified during testing stage, not design. So your option 1 is exactly correct. Next one, extent of risk is determined by, now one more easy question, likelihood of danger, yes. Spread of danger, yes. Severity of possible harm to each individual, yes. Now see here, observe the questions there. These are the questions regarding ethics and also your safety. So what I have done is, we have discussed exact topics of ethics in these videos and the connecting topics in their respective videos. So to answer these questions, you must have an all-round look of all the videos, unless until you cannot answer the things, right? So see here, in environmental impact assessment studies, now we studied in ethics, but the detailed things were given in ecology topic. Same thing, right? Regarding project management, we have dealt in project management questions, I mean in the videos. Go through all the videos and answer this. Now consider the following statements regarding ethical dilemma, and you are asked to find out the correct statements. People always know how they need to respond to ethical dilemma. No, perfectly wrong. Now always doesn't know, right? Perpetrator may feel internal or external pressure to act unethically. Yes, perfectly right. So your answer is on second statement only, B only. Consider the following statements regarding ethics, and you are asked to find out the correct statements, right? What are the correct statements? Ethics is practical in essence, and it has nothing to do with philosophical activities such as careful conceptual analysis. Bluntly wrong. You take some statements from the philosophical activities also. Ethics refers to principles of action, implementing or promoting moral or ethical values, while morals refer to standards of right conduct. Yes, perfectly right. So your statement B is exactly right. Consider the following statements, and you are asked to find out correct statement. Role morality is name given to moral obligations based on special roles and relationships. Yes, the exact statement of role morality is given. Professional ethics has positive ethic aspects only. No, it has the coin face, two faces of a coin, right? So your answer is only A is correct. I mean only one is correct. Now consider the following statements. And prevention of professional malpractices and harm to public is known as aspirational ethics. Is it correct? No, it is bluntly wrong. So what is the correct statement here, right? Now the first one is prevention of professional malpractices and harm to public is negative or preventive ethics. Now we have discussed the same question in the previous videos also, right? Now using knowledge and expertise to promote public good is preventive ethics. No, using knowledge is a positive thing. Now this statement is not preventive ethics, it is aspirational ethics. Vice versa statements are given, so both are wrong. So your first one is wrong and second one is wrong. Which of the following refers to sensations and feelings one gets in response to others' emotions? Now see here, sensation and feelings are nothing but effectiveness, not A effectiveness. So effective empathy is correct answer for this. Consider the following statements regarding comparison between ethics and morality, and you are asked to find out the correct statements. In case of conflict between ethics and morality, ethics is given top priority because damage is more. No, bluntly wrong. See, I have discussed the same point in the video. Morality is more common and basic than ethics. Yes, perfectly right. Morality is imposed by judgment punishment in name of God or by laws, while engineering ethics is impeded through codes, guidelines and corrections? Yes, perfectly right. So your option is 2 and 3 only. Done. Next one. Which one of the following theories primarily focuses on moral character of decision maker, it seems? Now see here, moral character of decision maker. I have discussed the same point in the video. What is the answer here? Virtue ethics. Next one. The personal and corporate rules which govern behavior within context of a particular profession are categorized as. Now see here, again we have seen the same question, right? Professional ethics, right? Which deal with your profession, how to govern, how to behave, right? Exact definition was given there. Done. Thank you.